Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel guys. Today we are working on Mazda CX-7 and we'll show you how to remove and replace Sunvisor. That's a weak spot on that Mazda because sometimes they'll start hanging and the spring inside will be messed up. So the only pretty much way is to replace those things. Otherwise you can take them apart and adjust them, but it's they usually break. So we'll show you guys how to remove and replace Sunvisor now. Both the passenger and driver side will be exactly identical. So we'll just demonstrate on one of them. Okay, we have that 2009 CX-7 here, as you can see. That's our parts car. Okay, so you need to unclip it from there. You need to turn it all the way to the left, and you have a screw underneath. So go ahead, remove that screw now. It's super easy guys. Okay, and then it's important to grab it, okay, and pull it in an angle towards the front. Okay, like that, because there is a clip inside. And now you need to disconnect the wire, okay, this wire right here, by pressing down, okay, and pull. Okay, right there. And we don't want it to go, okay, in the headliner there, so we'll just pull it a little bit more. Okay, just like that. Then you have guys the Sunvisor right here, which is not very complicated to replace at all, as I told you. Also that clip, if you need to replace it, they break sometimes. You need to press in on both sides simultaneously, okay, like that. And when you press on both sides, it's a clip inside. It will come loose, but believe me, it's not as easy as sometimes it seems on the camera. You have to mess with it. Okay, one clip came out, you can see, so I'm just gonna hold it here to make sure, okay, it doesn't go all the way in and snaps, and it did on both sides. So you need to do it simultaneously, otherwise it's not easy. And we still have one in. Okay, I'm gonna hold it here with the screwdriver so it doesn't go in all the way. Eh? I think it's in my lap. Okay, that's what the clip looks like here now. You can see those are the things that you push in. Okay, two little clips. So when you get a new one guys, all you have to do, just push it in the right way. Okay, and you need to install the Sunvisor by connecting the wire first. Then you need to get it in the hole there. Okay, it goes only one way. Okay, and you need to get the screw tight, and that will be the whole procedure for that repair guys. Thank you for watching, please subscribe, let's grow the channel. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.